So guys, today we are going to unboxing Tplink router WR940N. So let's get started. Guys, you can see that this is such a big box. So this model comes with 3 antennas plus router, access point and range extender. You can use this router, has a router mode, has an access point and has a extender mode. It comes with a 3 antennas, easy to set up, and its model number is TLWR940N. So let's unbox it.
Yeah.
So here we go. I have peel off the paper. Oh, where is open compartment? Where? So here you can see that. I'm going to open this. Wow, you can see that. Such a big device. Let's take this aside. There are some paperwork, quick instruction guide, and some paperwork. So here is a LAN cable. You can use it for your PC and whatsoever. Here's a power cable. You can see that. I think they reduced the size of this cable as compared to previous model, one antenna and two antennas. So let's look at the device. Such a premium look, you can see that. Let's peel off this tape. Here we go. Wow, such a the body is plastic, but he's providing us such a pleasant look. You can see that. The build quality is very good. Internet cable, WAN area network port, and there are 4 ports for